Hi friends, here in this video I'll be explaining renewable bushes. So let's get started. Now renewable bushes are used when the production is continuous. It means we are having mass production and there are chances of removal of the bush at particular instances. So the arrangement is, here we have a jig plate. Inside the jig plate, first we have a liner bush, as we can see here. Now liner bushes are permanent bushes. So these are the permanent bushes. Over that we are having the renewable bush, as we can see here. These are the renewable bushes. And the renewable bushes are made up of softer material compared to the liner bush. Like for example, they may be made up of bronze, and when the drill is passing through it, because the function of the bush is to guide the cutting tool, so it would be guiding the cutting tool or the drill inside through it, and when the hole gets drilled, so in case of mass production there are severe wear and tear of this bush, so we require easy removal of it. So that is why we are having the renewable bushes. With the help of the retaining screw, we can avoid the rotation of this renewable bush. At the same time, we can avoid its upward movement, and for easy removal we are having the retaining screw, so that after one of the renewable bushes get worn out, we can replace it with another without damaging the liner bush. So in short, that was an explanation regarding the renewable bushes, which saves a lot of time during the manufacturing or production process. At the end, if you'll find my videos helpful, you can like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and share it amongst your family and friends. Thanks for watching.